tide. We'll soak it up and have the time of our lives. We'll make these memories our own Hall of Fame.